we are starting abdomen from now. So first we will be covering the abdominal extensions, abdominal planes, and some important points about abdomen and their contents. So first we are starting abdomen. पहले इसका एक्सटेंशन देखते हैं. एक्सटेंशन so extension में first we know this is costal margin, this is xiphoid process, and this is again costal margin, right and left. So it extends from costal margin and xiphoid process to the near pelvic brim. Pelvic brim, what is pelvic brim? The circular canal formed by pelvic bones, ilium, ischium, sacral bones. This is called pelvic brim. Pelvic brim. Okay. And here we know some false ribs are so they are floating ribs, false ribs, floating ribs. These are floating ribs. So these are the extension. Extend from costal margin, xiphoid process, just behind the xiphoid process. We know there is a vertebra called T9 vertebra. And behind T9 vertebrae, then and ये upper side में, this is lower side में, to pelvic brim. So this is extension of abdomen. It contains what is contains? Vessels, aorta, inferior vena cava, IVC, inferior vena cava, aorta, abdominal organs, stomach, liver, pancreas, gut tube contain small and large intestine and large intestine, small and large intestine, nervous plexus बहुत सारे होते हैं. There are many nervous plexus and plexus. Other vertebral, lumbar vertebrae, five in number. So these are some important contents. Now come to the planes of abdomen. So there are many planes in abdomen. First, let's say this is T9 vertebra and xiphoid process. This is xiphoid process. Then here we know this is ninth rib, below this is tenth rib, same both sides. Here we know this is umbilicus and below this is ischial bone, both sides, and here tubercle, ischial tubercle present. This is called tubercle on ischium. So these are some important landmarks. And below here, we know this is L1 vertebra. This is L1 vertebra. Below here is L2. This is umbilicus. It comes at L3 vertebra. This is L3 good, and this L3, and this is L4. So umbilicus present here between at intervertebral disc between L3 and L4. This is L4 vertebra, and this is L5 vertebra. Done. So first we draw some planes. First plane passes from tip of the 9th rib, 9 costal margin and lower border of L1 vertebra. This plane is called transpyloric plane. Transpyloric plane. Another plane passes from 10th rib, 10th costal margin, lower border, and L2. This is lower border of L2. Passes from lower border of L1. This is called subcostal plane, which passes from lower border of L2. L2 lower border. Another plane passing from this at the umbilicus, third plane. This is number 1 plane, number 2, and this is number 3. 10th rib. This plane is called transumbilicus plane. Umbilicus plane passing from intervertebral disc between L3 and L4. Done. Again, this is third plane. Below here, this is again fourth plane. This plane is called supracrystal plane. Supracrystal plane. Important landmark of this is, let's this extend. This is like this. It presents like this. It passes from the highest point of the iliac crest. It is called supracrystal plane, and lower border of L4. Lower L4. Done. And highest point of iliac crest. Highest point of iliac crest. Done. And again, here is a plane which passes, let's say this is tubercle. Done. This is tubercle. And again, here is a plane which passes from tubercle on iliac crest and upper border of L5. This is called fifth plane. This plane is called transtubercular plane. Tubercular plane. upper part of L5, upper L5 and tubercle of iliac crest. Iliac crest. Done. So these are 5 major planes: transpyloric, subcostal, transumbilicus, supracristal and transtubercular. इसे intertubercular plane भी बोला जाता है, also called intertubercular plane. This is called intertubercular plane. Done. So these are 5 major planes. Planes of stomach. Planes of abdomen. Sorry. Abdomen. Done. This is called supracristal plane. Supracristal plane. 4th plane. Done. Again, now come to the quadrants of stomach, abdomen. So there are 2 methods of division. Vertebra. 5 होती हैं, 5 lumbar vertebrae. Then 2 methods of division. First method is 9 quadrant division. 9 quadrants. How? Let's say these are 2 planes. Which planes? Mid-clavicular plane. Mid-clavicular plane. And here is, this is transpyloric plane. And below, here is transtubercular plane. Transtubercular plane. These are 4 planes which divide the abdomen in 9 segments. So first is this the portion where stomach, major portion present of stomach. This is called, and here above and below. This is called above stomach plane. So this is called epigastric quadrant. Done. Right and left. Here we know vertebral ribs present होते हैं. So this is called hypochondrium. Hypochondrium क्यों? Because these are lower ribs present here. Hypochondrium. Hypochondrium quadrant. This is right. This is left. Hypochondrium. Done. Here, this is called umbilicus. Here, umbilicus present. So this is called umbilicus quadrant. Here we know this is left and right. This is right lumbar. right lumbar plane, right lumbar quadrant. This is left lumbar quadrant. Done. And below, this is called epigastric. So this is called hypogastric. Below gastric point, hypogastric. Done. This is plane. And right and left is called, here we know ilium present. This is called ilium. Iliac. Right iliac quadrant. This is called right iliac quadrant. And this is called left iliac quadrant. So these are the 9 quadrants. Above, hypogastrium and epigastrium, umbilicus, lumbar, right and left, and right and left, umbilicus, and at center below is hypogastric. So these are the 9 quadrants of stomach. Done. And again, so this is first method of division in quadrants, we know. But here is second method. The second method is the second method is division into 4 quadrants. Let's say this is first plane. This is called mid-sternal plane. So here is T9 vertebra. Let's say, remember this. This is required process and T9 vertebra behind this, and this is these are the some planes. Now come to the second part, second division of quadrant, division quadrant. This is plane. So first is called mid-sternal plane. This plane is called umbilicus plane. Umbilicus plane. Done. This is 9 quadrant division and this is 4 quadrant division. Here division is simple. This is right upper, left upper, right lower, and left lower. This is simple. Right upper. So this is 4 quadrant division of plane. Here 4 quadrant division of abdomen. Then, so these are some important points about abdomen. Now come to the transpyloric plane. There are some points about transpyloric plane. It is similar to substernal plane in thorax. Here there are some important points. So first, some important landmarks about transpyloric plane is about transpyloric plane. Some important landmarks are it is a plane where second part of duodenum present. Point where duodenal jugular function present. glandular flexure present point rear neck of pancreas. Almost whole body of pancreas also present, and almost whole body, and some body part, some part of body present. Here is L1 vertebra present, and tip of 9th costal cartilage. Tip of 9th costal margin, 9th costal margin. Then some vessels, formation of origin of portal vein. We know behind neck of pancreas, portal vein form. Portal vein, hilum of kidneys, hilum of kidney hilum is just, let's say, right kidney hilum is just below this plate and left kidney hilum is just above. Some part of left hilum is behind this plate, just at level of this plate, but right is just below because of liver. And hilum of spleen also, of spleen. Done. And point at origin of superior mesenteric artery. And again, some last point is, it is midpoint between here next is we can add fundus of stomach here. So these are some points about transpyloric plane. Second part of pudendal flexion, 9th costal margin की tip, L1 vertebra, portal vein origin, superior mesenteric origin, pancreas की neck, hilum of kidneys, hilum of spleen. These are some important points about this. L1 vertebra tip. So these are some points. So here next class we will start again some important points about abdomen and organs. Thank you.